Welcome back to another 3D comparison video. So this is something that I would like to see within CATIA 3D experience, having the possibility to drag and drop elements. So for example, I want to move this part, I want to grab it, and I want to move it within 3D experience. We're gonna see that in this case I will receive the following notification, so drop operation failed. And I have the possibility over here to create a body, an order geometrical set, parameter set, or create child module. But as you can see, that will not move, in this case, a component. If I will try with the STL, this will be laggy since it's larger. We see that it's still loading. But still, I don't understand why they didn't add this feature, because this would make adopting 3D experience a lot better. Let me just go over here within part design. So for example, maybe I'm within part design and I want to move this simple extrude over here. Again, if I will select the part body, I will drag and drop it over here. You're gonna see that could not retrieve content from the clipboard. This may occur, and I have over here an order geometrical set, but the geometry will not be transferred. So the only option is to go and have this imported manually. But this would be a nice feature because I saw that it works in some cases. So this is why I'm curious about this. Let me know in the comment section below if you managed to transfer files like this from the old CATIA V5 to the new 3D Experience CATIA. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I will position something similar over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.